High above us in the vast expanse of the night sky lies the constellation Lyra. This small but distinctive constellation is named after the lyre, a stringed musical instrument from ancient Greece. In Greek mythology, the lyre belonged to Orpheus, a legendary musician. Orpheus's music was said to be so powerful that it could charm all living things, even inanimate objects. Lyra is easily recognizable by its brightest star, Vega. Vega is a brilliant blue-white star, one of the brightest stars visible from Earth. It is often referred to as the harp star because of its location within the constellation. The constellation Lyra is a treasure trove of celestial wonders. It is home to the famous Ring Nebula, a breathtaking example of a planetary nebula. In this essay, we will embark on a journey to explore Lyra and its most famous inhabitant, delving into the science and mythology that make them so captivating. Lyra is a relatively small constellation, but its compact size makes it easy to spot in the night sky. The best time to observe Lyra is during the summer months in the northern hemisphere. Look for Vega, the fifth brightest star in the sky. Vega is part of a larger asterism known as the Summer Triangle. This prominent triangle is formed by Vega, Deneb in the constellation Cygnus, and Altair in the constellation Aquila. Once you've located Vega, you can find the rest of Lyra's stars nearby.
Lyra is shaped like a small parallelogram. Imagine a harp held in the hand, with Vega marking the top of the instrument. The other stars in the parallelogram represent the harp's frame. Learning to identify constellations like Lyra allows us to connect with the stories and history of the night sky. It's a reminder that humans have been gazing up at the stars for millennia, searching for meaning and understanding.
Nestled within the constellation, Lyra lies a celestial wonder that has captivated astronomers for centuries, the Ring Nebula. Also known as Messier 49 or NGC 6720, this object is a stunning example of a planetary nebula. When viewed through a small telescope, the Ring Nebula appears as a faint, ethereal ring of light. It resembles a delicate smoke ring, suspended against the backdrop of distant stars. This ring-like structure gives the nebula its name and is a key characteristic of these celestial objects.
The ring. Nebula's beauty is not just skin deep. It represents a fascinating stage in the life cycle of a star, offering us a glimpse into the eventual fate of our own sun.
To understand the Ring Nebula, we must first understand the life cycle of stars. Stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust scattered throughout space. These clouds, known as nebulae, collapse under their own gravity. As the cloud collapses, it heats up, eventually reaching temperatures high enough to ignite nuclear fusion in its core. This fusion process powers the star for most of its life. Hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. This is the stage our sun is currently in.
However, stars have a finite lifespan. As a star ages, it gradually exhausts its supply of hydrogen fuel. Eventually, the core can no longer sustain fusion, and the star begins to die.
Section 5. Planetary Nebulae, Ghosts of Stars Past. The death of a star is not a sudden event.
It is a drawn-out process that unfolds over millions of years. For stars like our sun, this process leads to the formation of a planetary nebula.
As the star's core runs out of fuel, it can no longer support the weight of its outer layers. These layers begin to expand outward, forming a vast, glowing shell of gas and dust. This shell is what we observe as a planetary nebula.
The term planetary nebula is actually a misnomer. These objects have nothing to do with planets. The name arises from their superficial resemblance to planets when viewed through early telescopes.
Planetary nebulae are relatively short-lived phenomena, lasting only tens of thousands of years. This is just a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. Eventually, the expanding shell of gas disperses into the interstellar medium, enriching it with the elements forged in the heart of the dying star.
Section 6. A closer look at the ring. Nebula structure and composition. Located about 2,300 light-years away from Earth, the Ring Nebula spans roughly 1 light-year in diameter.
Its ring-like structure is not a perfect circle, but rather a slightly elliptical shape. The nebula's central region appears darker, with a faint white dwarf star at its center.
The Ring Nebula's vibrant colors are a result of the different elements present in the expanding gas shell. The outer regions, dominated by hydrogen, glow reddish pink.
The inner regions, rich in oxygen, emit a distinctive blue-green hue. The white dwarf at the center of the nebula is the remnant of the original star's core. This stellar ember is incredibly dense, packing a mass comparable to our Sun into an object about the size of Earth.
Although no longer undergoing fusion, the white dwarf emits intense ultraviolet radiation, which energizes the surrounding gas and causes it to glow.
Section 7. Unraveling the mysteries of the Ring Nebula. While the basic process of planetary nebula formation is understood, the Ring Nebula still presents astronomers with several intriguing mysteries. One puzzle is the exact mechanism that shapes the expanding gas shell into its distinctive ring-like structure. Some theories suggest that the presence of a companion star orbiting the dying star could influence the shape of the outflowing gas. Others propose that magnetic fields play a role in shaping the nebula.
Another mystery is the complex structure within the Ring Nebula's ring. High-resolution images reveal knots of denser gas, filaments, and other intricate features that are not fully understood. These details suggest that the process of planetary nebula formation is more complex than initially thought.
Section 8 tone. Hubble's eye on the ring. Nebula. Unveiling cosmic beauty. Our understanding of the Ring Nebula has been revolutionized by observations from space telescopes, particularly the Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble's sharp vision has provided breathtaking images of the nebula, revealing its intricate details in unprecedented clarity.
Hubble's observations have also allowed astronomers to study the chemical composition and dynamics of the expanding gas shell in detail. By analyzing the light emitted by different elements, scientists can map the distribution of these elements within the nebula and gain insights into the processes that shaped it.
Hubble's observations have not only deepened our understanding of the Ring Nebula, but have also inspired awe and wonder in countless people around the world. The nebula's beauty serves as a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos.
Section 9. The ongoing quest to understand the Ring Nebula. Despite decades of study, the Ring Nebula continues to be an active area of research. Astronomers are using increasingly sophisticated telescopes and computer models to study the nebula in greater detail than ever before.
New observations from ground-based telescopes equipped with adaptive optics are revealing even finer details in the nebula's structure. Adaptive optic systems can compensate for the blurring effects of Earth's atmosphere, allowing astronomers to obtain images that rival those from space telescopes.
Future telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, promise to further revolutionize our understanding of the Ring Nebula. With its advanced infrared capabilities, the James Webb Telescope will be able to peer deeper into the nebula, revealing fainter structures and providing new insights into the processes that shaped it.
Section 10. Our place in the cosmos, inspired by the stars. The study of celestial objects like the Ring Nebula is not merely an academic pursuit. It is a profound endeavor that connects us to the larger universe and our place within it. By studying the life cycles of stars, we gain a deeper appreciation for the vastness of time and space.
The Ring Nebula serves as a reminder that our own sun will one day meet a similar fate. While this event is billions of years in the future, the Ring Nebula offers us a glimpse into the eventual destiny of our solar system.
As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly reminded of the beauty, complexity, and sheer scale of the universe. These discoveries inspire us to ask profound questions about our place in the cosmos, the origins of life, and the ultimate fate of the universe itself. The pursuit of these questions is a testament to the enduring human spirit of curiosity and our desire to understand the world around us.